Welcome to the world of welding, where your skills forge progress and opportunity. In high demand across industries, welding isn't just a job. It's a career path in sectors from manufacturing to aerospace. Over 431s and 800 welders are shaping our world, proving the stable career path that awaits in this vital field. Discover how advancing your skills and gaining certifications can elevate you from the workshop to leadership roles. Explore how welding opens doors to global adventures. Your skills can take you to various project sites around the world. Choose your niche, from underwater welding to aerospace. Specialize to stand out and increase your earning potential. With skill and experience, skilled welders earn an average of $47,540 per year, with top earners in specialized fields achieving more. Find out why welders take pride in a career that builds and repairs the tangible world around us. Turn your welding skills into your own business. From fabrication to repair, carve out your success story. Experience diverse work settings, from outdoor sites to indoor workshops. Most welders work full-time, with many opportunities for overtime. Emphasize safety and skill building. Learn the importance of protective gear and continuous training in this evolving field. With an expected job increase and 42,600 openings each year due to workforce replacement, welding offers a stable and growing field. Your future in welding starts today. Visit tradeschools.net for comprehensive training and resources. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights into rewarding careers. Start your journey in welding now. Your path to success is just a click away.